Anyways, it was a connection problem. Tell me, we are here on February month, no? So February 360 into 8 is how much? Yes?
Ma'am, 2880.
2880, very good. So 600 units, we are done with 60%, okay? Now 40% of area B. So 600 into 40% is how much? 600 into 40 percentage.
Ma'am, 240.
Very good, 240. Now where you need to put in the month of February, go to area B, area B, look at my cursor. Product X in the month of February, 240. Please write, use the right column. 240 into 8, because we are doing product X. Product X will be for 8 rupees. So 240 into 8 is how much?
Ma'am, 1920.
1920, that is 1920. Now product X is over. Now we need to do Y. Look at Y product. Y is 1200 units, but 30 percentage is divided into area A and 70 percentage is sold in area B. So in the month of January, 1200 into 30 percentage. Come on, tell me. 1200 into 30 percentage is how much? For Y product, huh?
Ma'am, 360.
Very good. So where we need to put? C, area A, product Y, month January, 360. So 360 into the price of the product Y is rupees 10. It is given here. Look at the cursor. So 360 into 10 is how much? 3600.
3600.
Now, next is we have 1200 into 70 percentage. 1200 into 70
840.
percentage. 840. But where you will put this 840? In the month of January, area B,
Ma'am,
product Y.
area B.
Very good. Area B means next line. Area B, product Y, 840. But in the month of January only. So 840 into 10 is 8400. Now come to February. February is 1800 into 30% in area A. So tell me 1800 into 30%.
540.
540. Very good. So in the month of February, look at my cursor. In the month of February, area A, product Y, 540. 540 will be here in this column. So 540 into 10 will be 5400. Next, 1800 into 70 percentage for area B. So what is 1800
Ma'am,
into 70?
1260.
1260. Where you will put, please look at my cursor. Month
Area
of,
B, February.
very good. Area B, February column. Area B, February column of product Y. So 1260 here into 10 rupees. So the answer will be 12,600. This much is done, everybody.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what we need to do, vertical total and horizontal total. So first, let us do horizontal total. First, let us look at area A, product X. See, if it is 240 plus 360. 240 plus 360. So total quantity will be 600. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now value 1920 plus 2880. I am in the area A for product X. Horizontal. Horizontal means this line, this. Look at my cursor. So values are, two values are there, 1920 in the month of January and 2880 in the month of February. So what is the total value?
Ma'am, 4800.
Yes, it will be reflected in the last column of the value of the total value column. See, 4800. Now you have to do it similarly for Y. So 360 units in the January month and 540 units in February month. So how many units in all?
Ma'am, 900.
Very good. And what is the value? 3600 plus 5400. Two values are there.
Ma'am, 9,000.
9,000. Very good. Very good. So just leave it. Rate का column is not जरूरी. ओके रेट के कॉलम में लिखना जरूरी नहीं होता है. आपको चाहिए तो लिख सकते हो. आंसर वही होगा 8 and 10. ओके नाउ सी. अब जैसे आपने एरिया ए का हॉरिजॉन्टल टोटल किया, एरिया बी का भी करेंगे. सो एरिया बी प्रोडक्ट एक्स जनवरी मंथ 160 and February month 240. These are the two units. So what is the total quantity of area B product X?
Ma'am, 400.
400. Similarly, you have to calculate value. So value is 1,280 in the month of January and 1,920 in the month of February. So what is the total value of
3,200.
product X, area B 3,200. Very good. Now similarly, you have to do it for Y. 840 plus 1,260, 1,260. So how much is the quantity?
Ma'am, 1,000.
2,100.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And what is the value? 8,400 plus 12,600.
Ma'am, 21,000.
Very good. Now vertical total. Vertical means two blocks are there. Total area A and total area B. Two blocks. Have you made two blocks in between them? बीच में बनाए हैं आपने? Have you made?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So X and Y, then total area A. X and Y, then total area B. So जो total area A है ना उसका block बनेगा, means vertical total. So 240 plus 360 पहला कितना होगा?
400.
Sorry, please repeat again.
400, ma'am.
400. And what is the value? Vertical value? Vertical total, huh? 1920 plus 3,600.
Ma'am, 240 plus 600. Sorry.
Yeah, 600. That's what I was in doubt. ये 240 plus
Yes, ma'am. I was
600.
thinking.
हाँ, it's okay, no problem. 240 plus 360, 600. And what is 19?
600.
Yeah, okay. 1,920 plus 3,600 is how much?
Ma'am, 5,520.
Very good. Similarly, do it for February. 360 plus 540 is how much?
Ma'am, 900.
Very good.
900.
And what is value? Total value?
Ma'am, 8,280.
Very good. And what about the last column, total column? 600 plus 900?
Ma'am, 1,200. No, ma'am.
No,
1,500.
Yes, 1,500. And what about the 4,800 plus 9,000 last?
Ma'am, 13,800.
Very good. This is block A, area block A. Now area block B. Do the vertical total of block B also. So 160 plus 840.
Ma'am, 1,000.
Very good. And what is the total of value? This value.
9,680.
Very good. 9,680. Now do it for the February also. 240 plus 1,260.
Ma'am, 1,500.
1,500. And what is the value? Total of these
14,000.
two. Very good. 14,520. Very good. And do the total of total column also. 400 plus
Ma'am,
2,100.
2,500.
2,500. Very good. And what is the total of value column?
24,200.
That's it. We are done with the sum then. It's very simple. You just need to be very careful what amount and what percentage has to be calculated area wise. So you need to be careful for that. Okay. So now I think you can do this sum in your homework. See, 7th sum will be your homework. January and February
Okay.
and March, 3 months are given. Two products are there, X and Y. and there is a bifurcation already made according to months. Just what you need to do is selling price per unit is rupees 10 for X and rupees 20 for Y. What you need to do is prepare a sales budget based on the above data for the first quarter. Quarter means 3 months, January, February, March of 2004, assuming that sales quantity increase of X by 20% and Y by 10%. That means, just a minute, huh? Yeah. And sale price increase of X nil and Y 10%. See, what you need to do is, actual figures are given for 2003. So for 2003, you just will have to copy down 25,000, 20,000, 30,000. See, product X 25,000, February 20,000 and March 30,000. Everything is same. And for Y, it is 30, 25, 35. See, 30 in January, 25 in February and 35 in March. Everything is same for 2003 because it is actually given. But for 2004, they are asking you two situations. First, sales quantity increase of X by 20%. So what will you do? 25,000 plus 20%. Are you getting my point? Again,
Yes, ma'am.
20,000 plus 20%. March, look at March X product 30,000. So you need to increase 30,000 by 20%. That's it. जितने भी प्रोडक्ट X के यूनिट्स है ना उनको 20% से बढ़ाओ. प्राइस सेम रखो. प्राइस 10 रुपीज एवरीवेयर सेम. प्रोडक्ट X की, प्रोडक्ट Y की 20 रुपीज. ओके, सो आपको क्या करना है, पहले क्वांटिटी इंक्रीज करनी है. फर्स्ट केस में पहले आपको क्वांटिटी इंक्रीज करनी है X की 20% से, Y की 10% से. और जो सेलिंग प्राइस है ना वो X की सेम रखनी है. सेम, नील मतलब सेम पहले जैसा. और Y का 10% बढ़ाना है. तो Y का प्राइस कैसे बढ़ाएंगे, ये देखो. Y का जनवरी का देखो 20 है, तो 20 का 10% बढ़ाएंगे तो कितना हो जाएगा 22. यस और नो? 20 रुपीज में 10% बढ़ाओगे मतलब 2 रुपीज बढ़ जाएगा. तो 20 प्लस 2 इज 22 ना.
Yes, ma'am.
तो हर जगह 22, 22, 22 Y का. लेकिन 10 का सेम रहेगा क्योंकि 10 में नहीं बढ़ाना है ना. नील बोला है, नील. सेल प्राइस इंक्रीज ऑफ X इज नील. So selling price will be same 10 10 10 10 for 2004. लेकिन इस 2004 में Y will have to be increased at the rate 10%. प्राइस को इंक्रीज करना है. सो प्राइस कितना था Y का 20. So 20 plus 10% means rupees 2 will be increased. So 20 plus 2 means 22. So everywhere it is 22, 22, 22 in the column of rate. But if you're talking about quantity, so quantity will be increased by 20% for X and 10% for Y. तो क्वांटिटी मतलब ये रही 25,000, 20,000, 30,000. ये 2003 की फिगर्स हैं. 2003 में तो ये सेम रहेगा, बट 2004 में इट इज गोइंग टू बी इंक्रीज्ड बाय 20% प्रोडक्ट X का और प्रोडक्ट Y का 10%. Are you getting my point now?
Yes, ma'am.
So will you be able to do it in homework? सिर्फ क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करके आंसर्स निकालने. So 30,000 into 10,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
33,000 into 23. This is the same way that you have to do. So two different tables will be made. Sales budget for 2003 जो कि एक्चुअल फिगर्स दी हुई है, जो दिया हुआ है उसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना है. एंड अनदर वन इज बजटेड फॉर 2000 सेल्स बजट फॉर 2004. एंड 2004 के लिए आपको क्वांटिटी ऐसे इंक्रीज करनी है. X का 20%, Y का 10% और प्राइस X को कुछ नहीं करना है, Y को 10% इंक्रीज करना है. इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, सो डन. हम लोग नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में कंटिन्यू करते हैं. In the next lecture probably I'm going to start with flexible budget. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So,
मैम
yeah, tell me बच्चा.
मैम वो आविष्कार का कब होगा?
हाँ, हम लोग है ना, आपको या तो आज शाम को या तो कल तो छुट्टी है तो या तो सैटरडे को. हम आपको कॉल करने वाले हैं, मतलब मीटिंग रखने वाले हैं. सो वी आर गोइंग टू इन्फॉर्म यू. जया, मैंने आपको वो ग्रुप में भी डाल दिया है आविष्कार के लिए. ठीक है, आपने नोट किया, वो
हाँ
ग्रुप में हो अभी. सो एवरीथिंग विल बी
हाँ
देयर इन
मैम.
दैट ग्रुप. ठीक है बच्चा.
ओके.
या
ओके मैम.
ओके बच्चा, ओके. सो टेक केयर एवरीबॉडी, बाय. और होमवर्क जरूर कर लेना. ठीक है.
यस मैम.
ओके.
बाय मैम.
ओके.
ओके, बाय बाय एवरीबॉडी. कल हॉलीडे है, हाँ, गुड फ्राइडे का छुट्टी है. ठीक है. सो
यस
सैटरडे को हम मिलते हैं. सैटरडे को हम लोग 11 o'clock के लेक्चर में मिलेंगे. 11 और 11:30 मैं आपको ग्रुप में इन्फॉर्म कर दूंगी. ठीक है.
ओके मैम.
ओके. सो टेक केयर एवरीबॉडी, बाय.
बाय मैम.
या बाय.
बाय मैम.
बाय बच्चा, टेक केयर.